Assalamu alaikum. This is Ronnie. Today I'm gonna show you how to design a Facebook cover photo in Adobe Photoshop. So before I design a Facebook cover photo, before I design a cover photo like this, I'm gonna show you how would I make this in Adobe Photoshop. So before design a Facebook cover photo, you have to know what is the resolution of Facebook cover photo. So it will be for desktop PC like this. It will be Android apps like this. So you can realize that the resolution is different for Android and desktop apps. So you have to know what is the resolution. You have to know what is you design which purpose. So we can search in Google. So let's try resolution of Facebook cover photo. So we can see currently the display the resolution of Facebook timeline cover photo both for people and brand is 851 and 315 pixel. So here what are the dimension of Facebook cover photo, so এখানে আমরা যাই. So here we can see your page's profile picture displayed at 170 into 170 pixel on your page on computer, 128 pixel on your smartphone in profile picture, but we have to create Facebook cover photo. So here is displays at 820 pixel wide and 312 pixel in your page on computer. So for the computer the pixel should be 820 and 312 pixel and 64 pixel wide by 360 pixel on your smartphone. In the Android phone there are different pixel size in both in different of a smartphone and desktop PC. So must be at least 399 pixel wide and 150 pixel tall. It is viewed by Facebook Help Center. So here we can see the loads fastest as an RGB JPG file that's 851 pixel wide and 315 pixel tall. So we can upload this Facebook cover photo in website. So it's the better for us 851 pixel wide and 315 pixel tall and less than 100 kilobytes. So let's start how can we design a Facebook cover photo in Adobe Photoshop. Here my folder. So we open Adobe Photoshop CS6. Here my design. Here my layers. So now I am gonna show you how to create a Facebook cover photo like this. It's very simple, very simple, quite simple. So create a new page, 851 315 pixel resolution, 300. It's up to you. So in future I think this cover photo will be my desktop background. So it's helped me clear photo in desktop background. So Okay, here my new page. So I'm at first we have to make a shape in rectangular tool. Here is my rectangular tool. I can select stroke none, fill color. Okay, so here's my blue color, and I am doing free transform, control T, and the rotate this rectangular tool. Okay, so I move it the another place in my okay, that's good. Here we have another rectangular tool, stroke none, and the fill color I used this color, and with the direct selection tool and the modified this tool, and I am adjusted this rectangular. Okay, that's good. Okay, so I can manage this for okay. So we can see this rectangular is more wide. So Control T, it's design it, and another text. Okay, so I can move it again, and this is more taller. So and again Control T, or I can move the with move tool. Okay, sorry, like this. Okay, so and my design complete, the shape is complete. Okay, so now we can place a image before I download it for my work. Okay, it's not here, it's in my folder. Flag, Rajshahi College. Rajshahi College is the most popular college in Bangladesh. So it's the free transform, and we can distort it. So what is distort? Before class, the teacher when taught us the free transform, Control T, and he shown us the right click, and here is the various tools like distort, wrap, rotate, scale, flip vertical, flip horizontal. So I use distort. So distort help us to rotate this image like this. It's very helpful and magical things in Adobe Photoshop. It's very magical things like this. So okay, so now again Control T, height, white, again Control T, it's okay, that's good. Okay, that's good. So we can of this rectangular tool. Okay, that's good. Now I use a rectangular from this, and stroke none, and I use color this. Okay, that's better. Okay, and we move this rectangular, and even photo should move for. Okay, so this rectangular, oh, that's good. So we can move this rectangular, so we can move this rectangular like this, and okay, so control T again, transform. Okay, that's good. Okay, my frame is ready. So another place image, that is LICT logo. Okay, so and control alter shift. Okay, so move here, it's very larger, so I can short this. Okay, that's good. Now I can place the another photo, so I can place another photo. Okay, okay, so my desktop Fifi and my photo. Okay, so don't worry, just drag this photo and auto flag. Okay, it's very magical things. And I I can lower this opacity from this image. Just click opacity and down this, as you, it's up to you who is opacity used. I use 25% opacity. I use 25% opacity. So my design already completed. Some things we can add. There is LICTPT skill. Okay, don't worry. Sorry, LICT. Okay, this image. Sorry. We can lock this. We can lock this photo. So this can easily move. So Control T, and to modify this photo. Okay, that's good. And the another photo we can add. Okay, 2-in-1. So we placed here. And the magical thing, this is the PNG photo. You can drag like this, the PNG white shadow is removed. It's very magical things. So LICT is bigger, so I can use a smaller. Control T and modify. That's good. And down. Vision 21 is larger, so I can Control T. I can small. Very good. LICT is also big, so we rename this LICT, sorry, ICTPT skill. So ICTPT skill. Okay, good. So we rename it, and I can Control T. Okay, that's good. Okay, So we again place the another PNG digital Bangladesh. That's good. It's up to you. You can modify anything, and you can place the any other photo in various place. So you can track here, you can track there, you can track anywhere in this artboard. So I like this. I like to track here. So my design is almost completed. So last thing, so now our text is missing, so can use and text tool, and we can write um, anything, so we can write www.rc.edu.pd. Okay, so we can drop this, and so here we can use the symbol. So again, place and symbol. Okay, it's more larger. Control T. That's good, and we can use there. Okay, we can Control T. That's good. Okay, no problem. So we can another text here, and ap.com/raz of Industry College official. So you can drag here, and we can use the symbol, Facebook logo. That's good, and we can use here. It's P. We can also small it. Okay, that's good. So this is my Facebook logo, so I can rename it for my identity. Okay, so I can group this for my work. So these four layers is my text, using text tool. So I select four layer, Control G, and rename it text whatever. So I use blending option and color overlay. All over we can use white. That's good. And another we can use, okay, sorry, we can go another duplicate group, copy. Okay, so we can drag and drop. Sorry, here to select the group, we can also here. That's very quite simple, and my design is almost ready. So I missed one thing, so that is the text in the right side and this bottom. So text is the black. Every day is new beginning. Every day is new beginning, and can drag here, and the another text. take a deep breath, take a deep breath, deep breath, and start again. So I am modifying this this text. So window character, sorry, channel, sorry, window layer, view, sorry, window character, and large access 9, okay, 8, okay, sorry, let's start again. So I can use 4, 5, okay, so I can use 4, okay, that's good, and you can also drag it here. So Control T, free transform, you can small this as it's up to as, okay, so another Control T, okay. So my text tool is another text tool as there, Control G, and I opacity lower as, okay, that's good. My design is completely and completed, and I save this and I preview in this website how it is look. So save for web, that is, and you can save JPG, sorry, JPG, and you can preview here this website how it is look in your website. That's good, that's good. But I can see the LICT is very tall, but now we can modify this. Okay, cancel LICT logo, LICT logo, Control T, okay, that's good. Okay, now finally I design my cover photo and I save this for my desktop. Save as desktop JPG, and I rename it cover photo. That's good. Okay, your maximum quality, okay, good. And my save my cover photo. So that's my design cover photo. It's very quite simple. Let's try and try. It's very helpful.